Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this men's winter mask. So let's go ahead and put it on. Alright, so a couple things. What you can do is you can tuck it inside your shirt first before you put your outfit fully on, and then you put your jacket over. As you can see, it goes down in. So I like that. It goes low enough that you can put it down inside, which is excellent. I like it because you can actually put it up the whole way to your eyes and fully move around and it stays up, so that's nice. You want it down just to have your nose out, you can do that. If you want it the whole way down, easily have the whole way down. You want it the whole way up for whatever reason, you can have the whole way up. Now having it the whole way like that, it does lift it up here, but having it down to about here, you should be all right. So yeah, it's definitely nice and warm. This is gonna be great for riding an ATV in the winter time, but obviously you guys can use this for anything and everything. See you guys on the next one.